A new Sephora Favorites kit is available now, the Glitz and Glam makeup set. The set includes 10 beauty picks to glow for the holidays. Now, the set is $49 and it does have a $128 value. If I do happen to get this in PR, I will do a full review for you. Glow for the holidays with this 10-piece curated set of beauty picks that include full-size products from Glossier and Velour Lashes. This set will include Iconic London Mini Prep Set Glow Hydrating Spray Original, Benefit Cosmetics Mini Fluff Up Brow Flexible Brow Texturizing Wax, Glow Recipe Mini Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops, Gioso Mini Honey Infused Hair Oil, Velour and Effortless No Trim Lash in Mini Me Full Size, Ilua Mini Liquid Powder Eyeshadow Tint, Huda Beauty Mini Lip Contour 2.0 Automatic Matte Lip Pencil in Pinky Brown, Glossier Lash Stick Lift and Lengthening Mascara in Black Full Size, Kosas Mini Wet Lip Oil Plumping Treatment Gloss, and Lice Beauty Mini Higher Standard Satin Matte Cream Blush in Self Love. Let me know if this is one you guys are thinking about picking up. Hope you're having a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.